Welcome friends. Sport part 8. Identify the instrument and write down its use. So this is a myograph board with stand and use is to mount tissue preparation. Same like Lucas chamber, but in Lucas chamber we have added Ringer lactate solution or lactate solution. So tissue can survive or used for the practical purpose more time. Here we are not using solution, so it is used for less time. Identify this chart and write down its use. So you can see A and some 60, then XO 36, just like that 24, 18, 12. So it is in the English. Here it is in the local language Gujarati. It may be in Hindi or some pictures for the identification in case of kids. But numbers are written 60, 36, 24, and some other charts for the illiterate people. And this is a Snellen's chart and used for the check the visual acuity for distance object, and the distance normally is 6 meter. Now the another chart written is N9, N12, N18, N24, N36. So it is a Jaeger's chart. When we don't have a facility for the Snellen's chart, we use this chart, and function is to check the visual acuity for the near object. So you need to place this chart or this book near the eye approximately 35 centimeter, or I would like to add at comfortable distance where you can read. And if you can read this line, you can say your visual acuity for the near object is N9. But if you can read up to this, you are not able to read this, then you can say your visual acuity is N12 for right eye, left eye. Identify the instrument and write down its use. So it is a rapid blood lancet. So we are using in the hematology practical for the pricking the blood, and we are removing the, or we are taking the capillary blood. So you can see the lancet. Lancet माने कि भाला जितना होता है only 1 to 2 millimeter blood, 1 to 2 millimeter depth prick होता है. So the prick will be only 1 to 2 millimeter in depth. So if you use needle, it can injure more parts or it may go deeper, but here there is a limitation. It can prick only up to 1 to 2 millimeter depth, right? So this instrument is the hemoglobinometer for the estimation of hemoglobin in Salic acid hematine method. You can see the comparator here. These are the color rods. This is a hemoglobin pipette without bulb. This is a stirrer to mix the N/10 HCl with the blood. This is cleaner. This is a hemoglobin tube. On one side gram percentage is written, and another side percentage is there. This is a dropper. Now identify the instrument and write down its use. So you can see it is a hemoglobin tube. Gram is written on one side, on another side percentage is written. 14.5 gram is 100%. So it is according to percentage. So here there is a 14.5 gram on this side, and on another side at this level there is a 100. So 100 volume, 100%. So when you are doing this practical, you need to write down the result, like my hemoglobin concentration is 14.5 gram percentage and it is 100%. Accordingly you need to calculate. So for the acid hematine or Salic acid hematine method for hemoglobin estimation, This is a pipette. You can see in first video I have mentioned the difference. This is a pipette without bulb, so it is a hemoglobin pipette. You can see the bulb here as well as here. So whenever there is a bulb, it may be either red blood cell pipette or white blood cell pipette. In red blood cell pipette, the mouthpiece and bead is red in color. In white blood cell pipette, this mouthpiece and bead is white in color. The marking in the red blood cell pipette is 0.5, 1 and 101. In white blood cell pipette is 0.5, 1 and 11. Size of the bulb is bigger in red blood cell pipette, while slightly smaller compared to red blood cell pipette in the white blood cell pipette. So these are the pipette. The first one is hemoglobin pipette, used for the estimation of hemoglobin in Salis-Acid-Imethin method. White blood cell pipette is used for the total white blood cell count, and red blood cell pipette, it is used for total red blood cell count. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan. If you like my video, share it, comment on it and subscribe my channel.